its truth. It's by very recent polls. Any complications, any problem? For us, we do not allegations of a constant corruption, and that is very 35, 40. Yeah, no. This is extremely unfortunate and disgraceful act. I've been there during the last time. It was a very successful visit of then Prime Minister Erdogan to Ukraine it was September 2012. I've been with him in Sevastopol, and we visited this cemetery. Let me tell you, even I was shocked with how it was organized, how it was built. It was in perfect condition. It's a very nice park with all the honor to those soldiers. It was full military ceremony remembering those soldiers with Turkish anthem and everything. And Prime Minister was very moved himself, and all his delegation, they were very deeply moved with the attitude, because, probably it was not Ukrainian war. We will see an influx of investment. That's our hope. So, in the line of Russian policy to push Crimean Tatars out of their attitude toward the annexation of Crimea, which was not accepted, and what they're trying to do right now, they're trying to create parallel structure of Crimean Tatars organizations to pretend that those old Crimean Tatars, they are bad Crimean Tatars, but there are good Crimean Tatars, and we should work with them. Let me tell you, you can ask Crimean Tatar community here in Turkey, they will tell you who is wrong and who is right, and it's 100% unacceptable and very painful for us, but as you probably know, both Mustafa Dzhemilov, Kerimoglu, and Rifat Chubarov, forces like communists or opposition bloc. As far as I know, he denied later this statement as a misunderstanding. But I'm absolutely sure that if even such proposal ever would come out of Russia, Poland would never agree on anything like this. It is absolutely clear. We have had this experience before when Europe was divided before the Second World War, and we know that it's not